Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today's video is very beautiful, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. So my notification will get you first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So you can see the first picture is very beautiful. You can see the lamp, the candles and all beautiful candles. The decoration and design is very beautiful, looking very good, very nice. Looking, the decoration is expensive and it's also very beautiful. You can see the red color lights and all, and the bed, you can see beautiful bed and all. The decoration is beautiful, good decoration, not this much beautiful but okay. It's also the small plants, you can see the down the lamp, you can see the lights and all, beautiful lights and all, looking very good. And this one also you can see the looking very beautiful, very good decoration. You can see the red color lights and all, and the decoration, the design is very beautiful, very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, the wall, you can see the black color wall, the bed, the side white color wall and all, beautiful wall and all, looking very good, very beautiful, very expensive. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the cotton and all, and the bed you can see beautiful decoration and design. You can see looking very expensive, very good. Also VIP room decoration, it's also very beautiful. You can see the cotton, you can see the wall, you can see the white color window, you can see beautiful window and all, looking very good, very nice. This one also you can see very beautiful theme. You can see the skateboard, it is there, the mirror, it is there, the side table, you can see very beautiful, the candles and all, very good. The floor, you can see wooden color theme floor and all, very good floor. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see it is a luxury house of olden time, very beautiful house. You can see the cushion is very beautiful. This one also you can see beautiful. You can see the light all, and the down you can see the chairs, the lights, the lamps and all, beautiful lamps. The photo is a little bit blurred, but looking very beautiful, expensive room decoration. This also very beautiful. You can see the, maybe it is a photo frame. Yeah, it is a frame photo. The sofas, you can see the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration design. This one you can see the TV, backside you can see the red color light and all, the TV, the side you can see speakers and all, beautiful speakers, the white color wall, beautiful decoration. This one also the small bulb of the cotton. The cotton is red color, beautiful. The side you can see the rose flower, you can see beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the red color pillow and the bed, you can see the droid, beautiful. The blue color bed and all, beautiful decoration. This also you can see the lamp, beautiful lamp, it is very beautiful. The red color lamp and the bulb, it is there, it is full red color, beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall, white color wall, the white color window frame, the bed, very expensive room. This one you can see the black color bed, the pumpkin, you can see, sorry, it is mushroom, beautiful mushroom and all, very beautiful. This one you can see very beautiful. You can see it is a big house, maybe very good house. You can see the curtain, the wall, flowers. And so I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon, so when I post my new video you will get the notification first. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.